You feeling like, wow, this is a lot, I've made it, I am big. You're not big, you're about to enter big trouble. So please be careful. As a content creator, you want to save yourself from being hacked or scammed. Hi guys, what's up? I'm HDSIGNATURES. How you guys doing? I'm going to be talking about how to spot a fake collaboration from brands. So as a content creator, I know we all want to work with brands. 6 ways to spot fake brand collaboration. 1. The email is sent from a public domain. When you click on that domain, it takes you to a site where it has nothing to do with you as a content creator. Find yourself in a site where it's written in different languages, so the domain name is misspelled. Look at that email thoroughly. If they go as far as opening a website, like a genuine website, and using a popular brand name, so that way you as the receiver will not easily detect that this is coming from a non-genuine brand. For instance, if Elf Cosmetics is reaching out to you, you should get an email from, I'm not saying this is their email. You should get an email from Elf Cosmetics as maybe market@healthcosmetics.com or influencer@healthcosmetics.com. So if you copy after the art, if you copy healthcosmetics.com, if you copy that and paste it in a different browser, it should take you to Health site. So from a non-genuine brand, I want to copy Health Cosmetics brand name. What they will do is they will actually spell the F correctly, which is the ELF. Then the cosmetics, where you have the M, they will change. I'm not saying this is what they do specifically, but I'm just giving you an instance. They will change the M to RM. You know, like when you write R and you add N to it, it looks like M. So because you are happy, you are so excited that Elf Cosmetics is reaching out to you, like it's one of your biggest dreams that you're having a big brand reaching out to you for a paid brand, or even if it's a PR brand collaboration, you are going to skip that part. Always get familiar with brands and how they spell their brand name so you don't fall victim. Also, please look out for the brand's email address. Make sure it's coming from the real brand. By copying, when a brand sends you an email, you should have like @thebrandname.com. So from thebrandname.com, copy that part and paste it in a browser. It should take you to the brand site where you see what they are into. But if it's not taking you to that place, it's taking you to somewhere else, please, that is a big red flag. They are quick to introducing money. Make you feeling like, wow, this is a lot, I've made it, I am big. You're not big, you're about to enter big trouble. So please be careful. Actually have poor written sentences. These are the things you want to look out for. And if you are not sure, you don't know what to do, please involve a third party, someone you know that has good knowledge about it. So the 5th one is the message creates a sense of urgency, whereby you have to click on a link. They ask you to click on a link fast. They instruct you to go as far as, okay, download it on your system, then get a key and forward it back to them, blah 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 blah. Please, you have to be very careful. No brand will ask you to download anything on your system. A genuine brand will never ask you to download anything on your system. If this brand is telling you to download on your system, what they're actually trying to do is to corrupt your system, to put virus on your system. When you do that, another information pops up that will require you to log in again because your former login of your other is disrupted and all of that. So once you do that, that way they get your actual information in logging in into every of your social media and every information you have, your bank details and all of that. Never download anything from the brand. Never download, except this is very genuine, but never download anything. The last but not the least is they actually go as far as replicating a popular brand's logo. So you have to be very careful. You just need to follow your gut instincts whenever you come across any brand. Your instincts should tell you this is not real. There's something that is not just right about this. You will always feel that. So please always make sure you are not greedy about it. No matter the amount of money they are proposing to pay you, don't be greedy. Make sure you have someone to check it out for you before you go ahead. If you are not sure, go to any social media platform, Instagram, TikTok, check out for the brand's actual name. If you think you can't fall victim of these hackers, please think again. Because let me know if you guys enjoyed this. Bye guys.